Students, in this video we will learn how to click pictures of the work, making one PDF and submitting it on Microsoft Team assignments. For that we require one app which is Microsoft OneDrive. So you go to Play Store and start searching for OneDrive. So once you get it in the list, you will get the button to install it. Right now I am getting the button open. Why? Because I have already installed it on my mobile. So now it is there on the screen. Yes, now you will get it on your mobile screen. OneDrive icon, click on this. It is asking for login ID now. See students, we already have Microsoft OneDrive account and its login ID is same as your Microsoft Team login ID. So you will write the ID which was issued by the school. Click on the next. And then it will ask for the password. Okay, now it has opened Microsoft OneDrive account, and at the bottom you can see one plus sign. If you click on this, you get the option of scan, second option. You click on that and start clicking the picture of the pages. Okay, if you want to add one more picture, click on add plus sign which is at the bottom left side. Okay, click, focus the page properly and then click on it. Fine. And if you are satisfied, you click on done which is on the bottom right side. It will ask for the name of the file. So the file name should be the name of the assignment. Okay, you can write the subject also and click on upload. It will get uploaded in OneDrive. See, we have got this file, assignment 4-EVS. Students, now we need to submit the assignment. File is ready. We will go to Teams. We will start Teams and click on assignments. Click on the assignment for which you want to add this work. Okay, click on add work now. See, there are options like OneDrive, new file, link, Teams and upload from this device. So we will be clicking on OneDrive. It will show you all the files which you have created through OneDrive. And we have created this file right now, assignment 4english.pdf. We'll click on this and then you need to click on hand in which is on the top right side. That is all about how to create PDF and then send it on Microsoft Teams.